Hello guys, so welcome back to Sepedi language lessons. Welcome back to language learning. So this is day 5 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. So today we're going to be looking at some of the common used nouns in Sepedi language. So without a waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have table. So table is called tafula. Table is called tafula. Put it on the table. Ebe tafuleng. The next one we have chair. So a chair is called situlo. Sit down on the chair. Dula fasi situlo. Sit down on the chair. Dula fasi situlo. A chair is called situlo. The next one we have a plate. A plate is called sevyana. A plate is called sevyana. Put the plate down. Via sevyana seo fasi. Put the plate down. Via sevyana seo fasi. So the next one we have cup. So a cup is called komiki. A cup is called komiki. Wash the cup. Hlatswa komiki. Wash the cup. Hlatswa komiki. So the next one we have a spoon. So spoon is called lepola. So a spoon is called lepola. A spoon is called lepola. Eat with the spoon. Ija ka lepola. Eat with the spoon. Ija ka lepola. So the next one we have a knife. So a knife is called thipa. A knife is called thipa. Slice the bread with a knife. Sega boroto ka thipa. Slice the bread with a knife. Sega boroto ka thipa. So the next one we have a broom. So a broom is called lesuelo. A broom is called lesuelo. Clean with the new broom. Hlwekisha ka lesuelo le leswa. Clean with the new broom. Hlwekisha ka lesuelo le leswa. The next one we have a bed. So a bed is called mpete. A bed is called mpete. Go to your bed. Tsamaya mpeteng wa gago. Go to your bed. Tsamaya mpeteng wa gago. So the next one we have blanket. So blankets are called dikobo. Blankets are called dikobo. Buy some more blankets. Reka dikobo tse dingwe. Buy some more blankets. Reka dikobo tse dingwe. So the next one we have clothes. So clothes are called diaparo. Buy some new clothes. Reka diaparo tse diswa. Buy some new clothes. Reka diaparo tse diswa. Clothes are called diaparo. So the next one we have shoes. So shoes are called dieta. Buy me new shoes. Nrekele dieta tse diswa. Buy me some new shoes. Nrekele dieta tse diswa. Shoes are called dieta. So the next one we have a book. So a book is called puku. Read your book. Vala puku ya gago. Read your book. Vala puku ya gago. A book is called puku. So the next one we have a window. So a window is called lefasetere. Close the window. Tswalela lefasetere. A window is called lefasetere. So that's it for our day 5 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. Don't forget to stay tuned for more Sepedi lessons.